In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Microsoft Teams is crashing on startup. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar. And here in the search bar, we look for the task manager. And in the task manager, we see our CPU and memory usage. And if this is really high, we have to lower it because it automatically causes crashes. So what we can do here is right click on programs we don't need right now and then enter task. This will fully close the program and will automatically lower your usage here. So make sure that you do this. And after that, we can go on startup apps. And here we can disable the automatic startup from apps to turn on our PC because some of these apps run in the background automatically when we start the PC, make some updates, and yeah, can cause crashes. So what we can do here, right click on it and then disable it for the specific program. So this is really important. After that, go into the search bar, look for the device manager, and in the device manager we have like this drive. So click on the arrow on the left here, display adapters and processors. So right click on your display adapter, that's your graphic card by the way. So update drivers, search our magnify drivers. So and here we have to go on processors by the way. And yeah, we do this with all display adapters, all disk drives and all processors. And what you also can do is you can go on the internet, type in your graphic card name there. After the driver download, then you will also find the best driver software for your graphic card in the internet, which is also really important. So make sure that you try this out. And then what you also can do is go on sound, video and game controllers. And here we have Realtek R audio. So right click on it and then we can easily disable the device. And if you have sound problems after that, no worries, you can also enable it again. And yeah, after that, your crashing problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will definitely find a solution. And then see you next time.